Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr. K English Channel. I'm Kay, and as always, I'm here with Bunie.
Hi everyone, I'm Bunie. Today we're learning English for real. Simple, useful, and easy to repeat.
Exactly. Not textbook English, real situations. We'll speak slowly, and you can repeat after us.
If you're a beginner, don't worry. We'll keep it clear and natural.
Bunie, how are you today?
I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
I'm good. A little tired, but I feel productive.
Same here. I had a busy morning.
What did you do?
I went to a coffee shop, then I did some shopping, and I had to call a company to fix a small problem.
Perfect. That's basically today's lesson.
Real life is the best classroom.
Before we start, please like this video and subscribe to the channel.
And comment below, where are you watching from?
Also, tell us, which situation do you need the most? Coffee shop, shopping, asking for help, or making plans?
All right, let's practice.
Situation 1. Meeting someone, starting a conversation. Let's start with a simple greeting. Ready?
Ready.
Hi, how's it going?
Hi, how's it going?
Pretty good. How about you?
Pretty good. How about you?
I'm doing well, thanks.
I'm doing well, thanks.
Now we make it more natural. Add one detail. I'm doing well, just a bit busy.
I'm doing well, just a bit busy today.
Great. Here's a short dialogue.
Hi, how's it going?
Pretty good. How about you?
I'm doing well, thanks. Just a bit busy today.
I get that. Busy days happen.
Yeah, but I'm happy it's going smoothly.
Same here.
Kate, what if I want to be friendly, but not too personal?
Good question. Use neutral topics. Weather, work, the place you're in.
Like, nice day today?
Exactly. Or this place is nice.
Okay, let's try. This place is nice.
Yeah, it is. I like the atmosphere.
Atmosphere, that's a good word.
It is. Simple and useful. Situation 2. Asking for help politely, directions or information. Now, asking for help. The key phrase is, excuse me.
Excuse me,
Add, can you help me please?
can you help me, please?
Great. Now let's do a real situation. You're in a new area. You need directions.
Okay.
Start.
Excuse me, can you help me, please?
Sure. What do you need?
I'm a little lost. Do you know where the subway entrance is?
Yeah, it's 2 blocks down on the left.
2 blocks down, on the left. Got it.
You'll see a big sign. You can't miss it.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
No problem. Have a good one.
You too.
Notice the ending, have a good one. Very common in American English.
It sounds friendly and casual.
Exactly. Another simple ending, thanks again.
Thanks again.
Situation 3. Ordering at a coffee shop. Next situation. Coffee shop.
This one is super useful.
Basic order. Can I get a latte, please?
Can I get a latte, please?
Add size. Medium, please.
Medium, please.
Add to go, please.
To go, please.
Now, let's role play. I'm the barista. Hi there, what can I get for you?
Hi, can I get a latte, please?
Sure, what size?
Medium, please.
For here or to go?
To go, please.
Any flavors? Vanilla, caramel?
No, thank you. Just plain.
Sounds good. Anything else?
That's all. Thank you.
Great, that'll be $5.45.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course. Tap right here.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Your drink will be ready soon.
Kate, what if I don't hear the price clearly?
Ask this. Sorry, how much is it?
Sorry, how much is it?
Or, can you say that again, please?
Can you say that again, please?
Perfect. Polite and easy. Situation 4. Shopping. Size, color, price, trying it on. Now, shopping. This is where people often freeze.
True. You want to speak fast, but you can't find the words.
Keep it simple. Start with, excuse me.
Excuse me?
Then, do you have this in a different size?
Do you have this in a different size?
Then, can I try it on?
Can I try it on?
Role play. I'm the store employee. Hi, can I help you?
Hi, yes, please. How much is this jacket?
It's $49.
Do you have this in a different size?
Sure. What size do you need?
Medium, please.
No problem. One moment.
Thanks. Also, do you have it in a different color?
Yes, we have black and navy.
Navy sounds nice. Can I try it on?
Of course. The fitting room is over there.
Great, thank you.
You're welcome.
What if it doesn't fit?
Say, it's too big, or it's too small,
It's too big. It's too small.
or it doesn't fit.
It doesn't fit.
Very natural. Situation 5. Making plans. Inviting someone and choosing time. Next, making plans.
This is important for real friendships.
Start. Are you free this weekend?
Are you free this weekend?
Then, do you want to grab coffee?
Do you want to grab coffee?
Then, what time works for you?
What time works for you?
Role play.
Hey Kay, are you free this weekend?
I think so. What's up?
Do you want to grab coffee?
Sure. What time works for you?
How about Saturday at 3 p.m.?
Saturday at 3 works. Where should we meet?
Let's meet at the entrance of the coffee shop.
Sounds good. See you then.
Great, see ya.
Now, if you can't go, be polite and clear.
Like, sorry, I can't.
Yes, try this. I'd love to, but I can't.
I'd love to, but I can't.
Or, can we do another day?
Can we do another day?
Perfect. Keeps the relationship positive. Situation 6. Phone call basics. Simple business call. Phone calls are scary for many learners.
Because you can't see the person's face.
Exactly. So use simple structure. Hi, this is Kay.
Hi, this is Bunie.
I'm calling about.
I'm calling about.
Can you help me with?
Can you help me with?
Let's role play a call to a company. You have a small issue.
Okay.
Thank you for calling. How can I help you today?
Hi, this is Bunie. I'm calling about my order.
Sure. What seems to be the problem?
I think there's a mistake. I received the wrong item.
I'm sorry about that. Do you have your order number?
Yes, it's 583219.
Thank you. Let me check.
Okay.
I see it. You ordered a blue shirt, but you got a black one, right?
Yes, that's right.
I can fix that. We'll send the correct item.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
No problem. Anything else?
That's all. Thanks again. Kay, what if I need them to repeat?
Say, sorry, could you repeat that?
Sorry, could you repeat that?
Or, could you speak a little slower, please?
Could you speak a little slower, please?
Very professional and polite. Situation 7. Polite complaint in person. Restaurant. Service issue. Last real-life situation. Polite complaint.
This one is sensitive. You want to be respectful.
Exactly. The tone matters. Use calm words.
What do we say?
Start. Excuse me, there's a problem.
Excuse me, there's a problem.
Then, I think this is wrong.
I think this is wrong.
Then, can you fix it, please?
Can you fix it, please?
Role play. Restaurant. Hi, how is everything?
Excuse me, there's a problem.
I'm sorry, what's wrong?
I think this is wrong. I ordered chicken, but this is fish.
Oh, I apologize. Let me fix that.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Of course, we'll bring the correct dish soon.
Thanks again.
Notice, you don't need to sound angry, just clear.
Right, clear and polite.
Now let's recap the key sentences. Repeat after us. Hi, how's it going?
Hi, how's it going?
Excuse me, can you help me, please?
Excuse me, can you help me, please?
Can I get a latte, please?
Can I get a latte, please?
Do you have this in a different size?
Do you have this in a different size?
Are you free this weekend?
Are you free this weekend?
Sorry, could you repeat that?
Sorry, could you repeat that?
Excuse me, there's a problem.
Excuse me, there's a problem.
Great. These sentences can help you in many situations.
Now your turn. Comment below using one sentence.
Question. Which sentence will you use first today? 1. Hi, how's it going? 2. Can you help me, please? 3. Can I get a latte, please? 4. Sorry, could you repeat that? Thanks for practicing with us today on Mr. K English Channel.
Keep practicing out loud. Say the sentences 3 times.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend.
See you in the next lesson. Bye.